Looking for dinner ideas? Try this restaurant-worthy lemon butter cod and toasted asparagus salad. It's a complete meal, ready in under 30 minutes. Welcome back to Dinner and a Side, where my sister and I solve your dinner dilemma with a main dish and a side. For this recipe, you can use cod, halibut, haddock, or any other firm white fish. The first step, as always when searing something, is to pat it dry. Then rub on a little bit of olive oil and season it with salt and pepper. After searing, the cod goes into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for just a few minutes, but first we need to heat up the skillet. Add the fish fillets skin side down and cook them for just 3 minutes until the skin is crispy. If your fillets don't have skin, then you just want to give them about 2 minutes per side. Then flip the fillets carefully and cook for an additional 2 minutes. White fish can be really delicate and you don't want to overcook it, so you need to keep a close eye on it. I'm going to bake it for just about maybe 5 to 7 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit. The cook time will vary depending on the thickness of your fish. While that's cooking, Angie's going to get us started on that delicious asparagus salad.
This recipe calls for day-old bread to make the breadcrumbs. So what that means is just don't use a super fresh loaf. Put the bread in the food processor and pulse to break it down. You want it to still be a bit chunky, not super fine like panko. Now let's toast them. In a large pan, over medium heat, add a little bit of oil. When it's hot, add the crumbs and the salt. Toast them slowly on medium or low heat, stirring them around the pan until they're golden brown. When they're done, transfer them to a bowl. You can toast the pistachios in the same pan over low heat. Again, remove them once they look toasty. I love asparagus. As a family, we used to walk around the orchard by our house and cut it fresh in the spring. I'm gonna get a little fancy with this and cut it on the bias. To do it, just angle your knife diagonally when cutting to create long, elegant slivers. These add visual appeal to the dish and it's easier to eat them raw.
Also, I'll interject, they look way better that way than if you just chop them.
In a large bowl, combine the breadcrumbs, pistachios, Parmesan, red pepper flakes, salt and pepper, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Add the asparagus to the bowl. Then you can toss it all up with the dressing. Now you can drizzle on the olive oil. I don't add the olive oil to the other ingredients because it helps to retain their flavor better. Don't forget to taste it so you can adjust the seasonings if necessary. Sometimes you just need a little more salt. I think this looks great served family style on a big platter. Before you serve it, you can garnish with lemon slices and a squeeze of fresh lemon.
The asparagus salad looks so good, I can't wait to eat it. After the fish is out of the oven, go ahead and transfer it to a plate so that you can make the sauce in that same skillet. To make the sauce, heat the pan over medium heat and then add the butter. Once it's melted, add the lemon juice and stir it together to emulsify it all up. Then you can add the parsley. Doesn't that look great? A restaurant-worthy meal in under 30 minutes.